Oh, I can't.
I'm gonna build something. I'm gonna build something very amazing.
Sigma. You're gonna build something very Sigma, right?
Yeah.
Bro, what the?
What happened?
Hey there. I'm gonna make it very high.
You're gonna make a what?
I'm gonna make trees very high.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab lots of trees. No. I'm gonna grab some of these as well. Bro.
What happened? I'm gonna build something very specific, bro. Trust me. Trust the process. You're gonna know what is it.
Nah, bro, look at these.
Hold up.
Jonathan,
Hmm.
what is that?
Trust the process. Trust the process.
How am I supposed to trust the process if I don't even know what it is?
Just trust the process, my guy.
Okay, my guy. Oh no, oh no. I'm Godzilla, bro.
Hold up, wait. I think there's something wrong.
You're a bit be small, okay?
Okay. I'm trying to make. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is the process. It's gonna take a while. I need 2 more
What are you
pieces.
making?
It's just a process.
If I'm supposed to trust the process, what you making? No!
Well, put your hands up, Ray.
Okay, buddy, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That's good, bro. That's actually a good building.
What is much better? So you know how, you know, hey, you know, guys, this is what I made. Look, wait, hold up. Put your hands up, buddy boy. Put the branch
Yo,
down.
chill.
Put the branch down.
Ah! Ah! Cake!
Boom, bam, boom.
Ah!
Boom.
I'm Godzilla!
Bah. No, you're not. Okay, I'm gonna something else. Let's see what I'm gonna make.
This is a good one, bro. I like it. That's cool.
Okay, I'm gonna something else. Hold up. I want to put something else. No, I want to get some. I want to be some. No, I want to be small. Let me make it out. I think I'm stuck, Aiden. Okay, I think I'm stuck, bro. Help me. Okay, never mind. Okay.
Jonathan!
Hmm.
You're gonna have to make it all the way up here, man.
Man. I don't know what I want to make. Bruh.
Ow!
Okay. Okay.
No!
What happened? Boop.
Hurry. That. Hi, beautiful.
Wait.
No way, bro. I'm gonna make this branch long, bro. All the way to the top.
Yeah, but ain't no way. So guys, this is gonna take a while. So that's what I'm making.
No way, bro.
Bro, move your bench, bro. Move your bench. Oh, nah. Move your bench. Galing, galing, galing.
Oh no! What is
Move your
that?
bench, galing, galing, galing.
Bro, what? Jonathan, look!
Move your bench,
People are
galing,
gonna
galing, galing.
rage,
Bing,
bro.
galing, galing.
I need some of these, bro. People are gonna keep on falling. Oh no, I forgot to add this branch. Oh no.
Oh, nah, bro.
Bro, I can't move, bro. It's all the way up. Jonathan, no way.
Oh, know what I'm making. I know what I'm making, bro. Trust the princess. What the?
I'm going all the way up here, bro. Just to make it.
Something.
Something trying to get up here, bro.
Up to that branch, okay.
No way.
Not even.
Bro, this whole thing doesn't move. I think it's actually stuck to the ground.
You actually stuck to the ground?
Falling. Screaming.
Alien, I swear if you tag me, bro. I swear if you tag me.
No!
I made it. Alien, give it!
There'll be more, man. Don't worry, I got it. No! No!
I supposed to give it. Oh yeah, we should have got up there.
No, no.
Mhm.
Let me be on one.
Alien, give it, bro.
No, it's fine. I want to try. It's mine.
I'm the king.
No,
Nah, bro, what? You know what we should do? Let's put it on only up. Nah, bro, let's put it on only up. Kobe. Yeah.
Bro, I made it longer, bro. Jonathan.
Oh, I bet.
Okay, we need to get more branches.
Yeah.
A lot of more branches.
I know that. Yeah. No. 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 What is wrong? What? Okay. Okay. Ah! No! No, 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 no. Come on.
Oh no. This is glitchy.
Bro, I'm cooked.
Nah, bro, this is crazy. No, don't be stuck. Bro, it's stuck.
What's stuck?
No.
Ooh! Hiding! Aiden, we're almost to the top. Yo, guys, look. Bro, I can't fall. Oh my god. Look, wait. Oh no! No, 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 no. Guys, help me! Yes! Guys. Bro, look at my friend, bro. Oh no, wait. Wait. Bro, my friend is down there. No, 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 no. Hi.
Oh. Hi. Wait, let me turn on my light real quick. Okay, there.
Did you there?
Oh.
And bro, we're almost to the top.
Wait, what happened to the stick? No.
So, he's gotta be careful. And I gotta be careful. Ooh, Aiden, don't take me. Aiden, don't take me.
No.
Yeah.
No way. No way. Wait.
Aiden, don't take me. Aiden, don't tag me. Aiden, don't tag me. Ooh, no.
You're lucky I didn't tag your ass. Oh no, no.
He's trying to get up.
Bro. It's hard because I can hardly get up.
No.
Bro, why is it so hard to get up?
Oh my god, bro. This took a long time.
Bro, a year later, bro. No.
Aiden, 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 Aiden. Aiden, please, no! Ha!
Don't worry.
Come on, Aiden, could do this. No, 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 no. Aiden,
No, no.
Aiden, just give me the branches, bro.
Nah, I'm good, bro. I got this.
Oh my god, you're about to tie me. My arms are sweating.
Jonathan, I reached it.
What?
Jonathan,
Oh, nah. Okay,
come on.
I'm gonna make it. Hold up.
Come down. No, come down. Help to make the biggest
No.
branch.
Why? No.
Fine.
Because. Oh my god. I ain't.
And then you're gonna have to climb this in small.
Yes, bro. You're almost there, Aiden. Aiden, come on. I've been recording this for 20 minutes straight, bro.
Bro,
Come
it
on.
takes patience, bro.
I know that.
I got it. Okay.
Okay, don't tag me. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay.
No, okay.
Aiden, come on. Aiden, don't tag me.
Well, come down here.
Oh. It's fine.
Come.
Wait. Whoa. No! No! I have to get my tablet.
Why? No.
Look at the big stick. Look. Hiya! Hiya! Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel.
Secret tunnel.
No.
I did it. Jonathan. It's
Oh.
bro. Come on, bro. Nah. We're gonna continue making this, bro. Until I 12. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Come on. Oh no. What happened? What happened? Hello? Replica VR? Replica VR, you there? Replica VR. I guess guys will be there. Bro, I can't fall. Oh my god. Replica VR, you there? No. Yes. Come on. Need to make it up there. Yeah. No, almost there. I need a few branches. I just need a few branches. I just need a few branches. Come on, no. This, that. Okay. Come on. I can't. Give me this. This and that. Hello? Guys, I'm about to finish this tallest tree in monkey blocks. Why not talking?
Welcome back, my friend.
Bro. all I need is this, bro. Look. Look. This is the final piece. This is the final piece, guys. The final piece. Aiden, I mean, don't get any more. Don't get any more. Just this is the final piece, bro. I almost made it. Hack to.
Okay.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
In a bit, I might play COD, okay, Jonathan?
Why?
I'm kind of bored.
Bro, I'm literally about to do it, bro.
But like in a bit, man.
Oh. Aiden,
Oh.
Aiden, move, Aiden, move, Aiden, move.
Jonathan, there's more, bro.
I know,
I put
more.
almost.
Whoa.
Give it to me, give it to me.
No! Bros, we'll make it.
No. Jonathan, give it to me.
No, I'm good.
No. Jonathan, no.
Hiya! Wee.
Bro, we're about to get to the gay sign, bro. No.
You better not fall, bro.
Bro, you better not fall. Bro, I fell.
Oh, come on. No. Oh my god. I almost fell. My hands are shaking, bro.
Why? It's just a game, bro.
I don't know why they're shaking. Oh my god, someone's calling me. I'm not gonna answer it.
Bro, we're in the middle of finishing the world's tallest tree, bro. It's probably
No. Oh, no.
German. German. No.
Yes, I did it. I did it. Now the final piece is this. Aiden,
Yeah.
I got the final piece.
Jonathan. It's not the final piece.
Yes, it is.
Bro, there's more than that. But like 3.
Yeah.
And then we'll be done. Wait, let me put 3, okay? Bruh. Oh, I got it, Jonathan. Wait, make me infection.
Why?
Make me infection.
I'm ready to go, bro. Whoa, no. Okay, with the bridge. Come on, just need to make this.
Bro, it's hard trying to make it up there.
I know.
Bruh.
Oh.
Jonathan.
Oh my god. Oh my Jesus Christ. I did it! Let me this piece. Wait.
Bro,
No.
why did you do that?
You're still up there, sorry. I have to get up there normally. Now I can't get.
Bro.
What happened?
Bro, cause you made
Sorry, my bad.
made me fall, bro.
You fell right now, bro.
Yeah, but you made me fall all the way down when I was going to the top. Bro, oh my god, move, bro.
Bro. No, bro. What's wrong?
Karma, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, how? Bro, I'm actually gonna get pissed.
Bro, it's the longest tower. But it's gonna touch the roof, bro.
Shit. Oh my god.
Oh no. I
Yeah,
almost
karma,
tapped.
bro. Bro, where are the sticks? Jonathan,
Huh?
the sticks are gone.
What the? I don't know why. Niño. It's really close touching the roof, bro. No, I fell.
Bro, tag me, bro.
Okay. Bet.
Tag me. Oh, sorry. I'm coming. Oh,
Welcome. Hiya.
wait, let me put my
Hiya. Tour.
Jonathan,
Huh?
what metal quiz do you have?
3S.
The 3S? Oh, yes, I forgot.
I'm gonna go to the bridge. You're really up the road. Bro, it's gotta touch the roof, bro. bro. It needs to touch the roof.
Bro,
Bro.
oh my gosh. Wait, where's my...
No, what the? Okay. Where's that? It's taking forever, guys.
Lester!
So. Okay. Better
Don't
make it up. Huh? Don't what?
touch me.
You're lagging, bro.
Bro, okay. No, I'm not lagging. I can't. I'm stopping.
I get all. Aiden, don't touch me. Aiden, oh. Aiden, no.
Oh.
So hard. Ooh. Toma.
This is actually getting annoying. Theories catch fire. I can catch those silver diamonds.
Yeah. No. I should want a bit lower.
Bro, this is actually kind of annoying. Let me go first. No!
Oh no. Boing. Boing. What the? Boing. Boing. I can't even make it, bro.
Bro, no, I can't. I have to get a bridge. I can't. I have to get a bridge.
Yeah, bro, I have to get a bridge.
I need to get a bridge.
I'll get you a bridge. Hold on, where is the bridge?
Bro, I have horns.
Okay.
Then.
Look like this.
Wait, move, no. Well, no.
Yeah. I'm not gonna only up. I have to go course.
You need to have like a bridge so you can climb it.
Go up.
Yeah, you're right. Bro, no. How do I keep? No, that's actually crazy. Bro.
Monkey bars and go with attack, bro.
My Oculus is about to die.
That quick.
That quick, bro. We've been playing for an hour.
Bro, we've been for 40 minutes. What you mean? Yeah, 40 minutes. What you mean?
What the hell? What?
What?
Can you
What?
Jonathan!
Huh?
Bro, on my screen, why does it seem so big? Yeah. What the frickle pickle dickle?
What's this thing wiggling? No! No. I'm a boom. Ra-ta-ta.
No, bro, why is this annoying to climb?
Ra-ta-ta.
Bro, is it annoying for it
What
to
the?
climb?
Yes.
Is it annoying? Yes. No! I was up there. I was gonna get to the tip, bro.
What the? What was?
Bro, it's actually annoying. Bro,
I'm gonna those.
you need one, literally. Literally.
What?
We need this. Jonathan?
Huh?
What are you doing? Damn, so perfect, Jonathan. Bill. Are you trying to do the reticle?
No. Oh. Wait, move.
You sure? Cause that looks kind of like a reticle.
Look at my pew pew.
Whoa, that just sounds weird.
I'm gonna aim at you, buddy. I'm aiming at you, buddy boy.
I was
Bah!
just shorted. bro. This is actually kind of annoying.
Bro, my hair hurts.
Bro, my butt hurts. I don't even want to play Gorilla Tag anymore.
Yeah, but I want to play something else.
No, I don't even want to play VR.
Bro, let's not do this, bro. This wasn't enough time.
Oh, wait a minute.
Let's burn only up instead. Or go to a monkey up then. Kobe, bro. I'm Kobe Bryant. First, let's start with a slide.
Okay, I'm not playing Gorilla.
So guys, this will be the end of the video. So we couldn't go up. And it's been almost an hour of him recording the tallest tree in Monkey Blocks. So the video went on here. And the video went on here.